What's going on, sci-fi fans? My name is Ben and welcome back to the bench for a brand new, albeit quick episode of Sci-Fi Wednesdays. That's right guys, we are back getting in the swing of the sci-fi builds. So today I want to talk a little bit about our next upcoming project and I want to go ahead and make a quick announcement. So let's go ahead and start off with the announcement, and that is that I'm going to be hosting a build series over on HobbyLink International. It's a collaborative effort between HLI and myself, Ben Builds. Now we actually have come up with a really fun project and I cannot wait to go ahead and crack in and show you guys what we're going to be building. So just to kind of go ahead and get you a little bit excited about the build, we're going to be building this right here, the 1/72nd scale Bandai B-Wing Starfighter. This is the Comic-Con exclusive version, so it differs a little bit from our standard B-Wing. And we're going to go ahead and see what we can do, put in some lights, use some fiber optics, play around with the new custom base idea that I've got kicking around in my head. And we're going to see what we can do and how much fun we can have with that particular build. So I'm very excited to go ahead and say that I will be hosting about 5, maybe 6 episodes over there on HobbyLink International. They'll be posted up every Tuesday at 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So make sure to head on over to HobbyLink International. Got 1 episode up that was released yesterday. We'll have episode 2 coming up next Tuesday. So I hope to see you there and I hope you guys enjoy the build. Huge thank you to Kenny for giving me the opportunity, and I'm so honored to be able to build something that cool for such an awesome group. So thank you again, Kenny, for the opportunity, and I hope to see all of you over there on Tuesdays at noon Eastern Standard Time. So with that being said, guys, let's talk a little bit about next week. Now, I am actually going to be starting up a brand new model kit, and it's going to be something a little bit different than what we've built so far here on Sci-Fi Wednesdays. It's not going to be Star Wars, it's not going to be Star Trek, it's not going to be any of the major sci-fi series that you typically associate with Sci-Fi Wednesdays. Instead, it's going to be something a little different, and I'm hoping you guys will enjoy the video series. Hopefully post the first episode on Wednesday of next week, and I am very excited to see how it comes together. So that is it for me, guys. I just wanted to go ahead and give you a quick channel update, and until our next episode, you guys know the drill. Go out there and get yourself some bench time, have some fun, build something cool. Make sure to drop on by HLI, check out the new Ben Builds the B-Wing series, and I'll see you back here next week for a brand new episode of our Sci-Fi Wednesdays. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you soon.